So the program is write a function to calculate factorial of a number. So this is the code that I have written. So I will try run the code to understand how it will work. Which are the variables I am using? I am using f variable, num variable. Now this num variable is accepted from the user, and condition is num greater than 0. So suppose user has entered some value for num which is 5. F variable has initial value 1. After that, now I will try run this while loop. Condition is while num is greater than 0. So this num is greater 5 is greater than 0. Num is greater than 0 means 5 is greater than 0. So condition is true. So it will go inside the loop. Inside the loop, I have written f equals to f into num. So f into num means 5 into 1. So that will become 5 and that will be assigned to f. So now new f value will be 5. After that, num minus minus, so this num will reduce to 4. Again it will go to the beginning of the loop. Condition is true since 4 is greater than 0, num is greater than 0. So again it will enter inside the loop. F equals to f into num. Now new values of f and num, 5 and 4. So 5 into 4, 20, and that 20 will be assigned to f. So 20 will be here. After that, num minus minus, so it will be 3. Again it will check the condition, num is greater than 0, yes, 3 is greater than 0. So condition is true. So next iteration of the loop will happen. F equals to f into num, 20 into 3, 60. Num will become 2. 2 is greater than 0, condition is true. Again it will go inside the loop. 60 into 2, 120. Num will become 1. 1 is greater than 0, condition is true. So 120 into 1, 120. Num will become 0, and now this time 0 is not greater than 0. So the condition is becoming false here, so execution will stop. So the value inside f variable is nothing but the factorial of 5, which is 120. So here you will print f value. So let's implement this. So first of all, I will declare num variable and f variable. F variable is initialized to 1. I will ask user to enter number. So here it will be printf enter number. Then scanf %d ampersand num. After that, I will write while loop. While condition will be num greater than 0. And in the while loop I will write f equals to f into num. Num minus minus will be there after that. So f will be the factorial of the number, so I will print it here. So printf factorial equals to %d \n f. So this is the program for factorial. So let me run that. Control F5 to run. Factorial is 120. So answer is coming. Now suppose I want to write a function. So this is a program which I have implemented where I have taken the number here and I have printed the answer here. Now suppose I want to write a function which is factorial function or fact function, then and the calculation of factorial will happen inside that function. In that case, first of all I need to declare that function. So return type of that function will be, so if that function is calculating factorial and if it is returning the result, then factorial value will be integer, so return type will be integer. Fact is the name of the function, and that function will take one argument which is nothing but the number of which factorial you want to calculate, so integer argument. So basically function will only perform the task and console IO operations will happen in the main function. So here printing and scanning, so this is scanning and this is printing, these are console IO operations, console input, console output. So those operations I will keep inside the main function only, and the factorial function is supposed to only calculate the factorial. So int fact int num, the logic, the code of calculating factorial I will paste it here. And now this num variable and this num variable is different, so I have to pass that num variable to the function when I call the function. So first of all I have to call that. So how to call the function? To call the function, here I will write the name of the function, and inside parenthesis I will pass the arguments, which is num. Now f variable, you should not declare it here because this is local variable of the main function, and now I will need f in the fact function. So instead of declaring it there, you will write int f equals to 1 here. So you can remove it from here, and the f value, which is the result of the factorial, you will return that to the main function. So here it will be return f statement, and now that return value, where that return value will go, this return value goes at the place of function call. So this is the function call, so it will come here. So you need to collect it in some other variable here. Suppose result is the variable in which you are collecting, so you will print result, and now result you have to declare, which is some another variable here. So now there is no error, so let's run the program. 6 factorial, it is 720, so answer is correct. So this is how you will write a function to calculate the factorial of a given number.